Vale tu sendiri ya. Bahkan buat
So we have been successful on the 11. 6 more will be identified. And I think the Honorable Minister did not touch this, but there is one additional body which was recovered, I think yesterday or the other day. Yesterday, yes, one other girl, a female person. We are yet to do the identification of that one. So now that increases our number of unknowns to 7 again. So that one will also be part of the others we shall do the identification. But for these who are here, we are going to read out the body number. We have matched it successfully to the parent, the mother, and then the family will proceed to take the body for burial.
Kugamba nti waliwo abaana UPDF yafuna kubajja kubaweekera meni abo abawambibwa tetunafuna mwana yenna ali alive ndowooza kati tufunye omulambo omuguka ogw'omwana omuwala kati nagwo tukyagukebera tulabe oba omu kubali kati ku mirambo 17 tufunyeko 11 ezo ndanga butonde zaabwe zamakinga na families zaabwe kati lero polisi yalese emirambo egyo nga eyambibwako ne UPDF.